Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, February 15th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Here's Alexis for Black History Month.
This month is Black History Month, and today we will be honoring Dominique Dawes. Dominique Dawes started her career as a gymnast when she was 6 years old. Soon she found out that it was extremely difficult. She then came up with the motto, determination, dedication, desire. As a total, she won 4 gold medals.
Wow. Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be windy with a high of 68 degrees and a low of 36 degrees.
Today in history, in 1965, the maple leaf flag becomes Canada's flag.
It's time to put in orders for 5th grade ads and yearbooks. More information will be sent out this week in the Falcon Forecast.
Here's Lily for the headlines.
In the headlines, a girls' soccer team has gone from losing 0-20 each week to winning promotion to the top division. After Dad started coaching, Leaktown Devils under 15 seconds were getting routinely thrashed every time they turned out, until Stuart Henley stepped in to coach. The 41-year-old transformed the team with the help of a 50-year-old assistant, Ivan Austin. Also apparent, they renamed the team the Devils and started training hard in February 2020. The team, who used to be called the Golden Hill, now won regularly and finished second in their division.
Wow. Today's fun fact is, pigs dream and like to sleep when their nose is close to another pig's nose.
Today's lunch options are cheese pizza sticks or chicken drumstick with a roll.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Shane.
And I'm Carter. That's Larry, and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. See you next time.